Taxes shouldn't hold you back. Modern businesses navigate a maze of evolving regulations, multiple jurisdictions, and looming deadlines, turning compliance into a daunting challenge. Acumatica's global tax solution takes the stress out of tax management. With a single, unified platform, you can seamlessly handle U.S. sales and use tax, VAT, GST, and withholding tax. Spend less time untangling regulations and more time focusing on growing your business. Tax zones in Acumatica simplify compliance by automating tax calculations, grouping rules and rates, and ensuring accurate application across regions, customers, and transactions. Categorize taxes for similar products or services to ensure the system applies them correctly in documents such as invoices, purchase orders, and sales orders across all business locations. Align tax periods with financial periods to simplify tax reporting. Configure filing structures for each company and tax agency to streamline and accelerate filings and maintain records for current and past tax years. Establish tax agency vendors for each jurisdiction where you must report and remit taxes, including federal, state, provincial, county, and municipal authorities. Assign customers and vendors to the proper tax zones. Acumatica will automatically apply the correct rate to taxable items within that zone, saving you time and reducing errors. Define the structure and filing process of tax reports for each agency. With Acumatica, you can set up report line items, summary values, and subtotal calculations to ensure precise and accurate reporting. Acumatica's seamless integration with the General Ledger delivers complete financial control, accurate tax management, real-time visibility into tax balances, and simplifies reconciliation. Configure liability and expense accounts effortlessly to track taxes payable, input taxes, and direct payments with precision. Define unique settings for each tax required for your business that include the tax rate schedule and effective rates, tax calculation rule options to compute tax from the line or document level, the impact of cash discounts on the VAT taxes, tax vendor agency for remitting tax payments, GL accounts for recording tax liabilities or expenses, and more. Establish system settings to automate tax calculations on taxable goods or services in the tax zones where they are received. Users can override taxes in transactions for unique tax scenarios, special agreements, or tax policies. Prepare and release detailed reports for each tax jurisdiction for each reporting period and preserve a permanent historical record of your tax filings. Improve reporting efficiency and accuracy with ready-to-use financial reports and inquiries. The balance sheet report displays period balances with drill downs to transaction details. The account details inquiry provides direct access to transactions in an account over a period range. Streamline tax management at home and abroad with integrated solutions like Avalara and Vertex. You can maintain compliance without the hassle of complex, time-consuming processes, allowing you to focus on growing your business. Acumatica Tax Management automates tax process with a unified solution for multiple tax types and jurisdictions. Configurable zones and agency settings ensure accuracy, while integrated tools streamline filings and provide real-time visibility for smarter decisions. Contact us today for a personalized demonstration.